Welcome back, everyone. Okay, let's get some more work done. Okay, so we have the control board here now for KITT. Got all the lights here for it. And instruction manual. Okay, so there's 5 lights. So in here I have to drill out 5 holes. But I'm not going to use these. They're a bit big. So I'm going to use those other little teeny ones. So I just need 5 of those. So what I got to do is I got to figure out the center point here for 1, and then the other 2 on either side. Okay, so really simple hookup. So it's got the switch on and everything. I might not use that switch. I might switch it out with one of my own. So I'll be using this display base here. You can see this thing would easily fit up underneath there. Run the wires up like behind maybe one of the tires that go over here to the front part of the sensor. Okay, so I gotta find the center point and then equal distance out the other 4 on either side. Just need to get those in place now. There we go. Now I'm just going to paint over that with black so that no light comes like back through the engine cowling and cause light from underneath. Okay, so I'm going to get all these negative lines and positive lines all tied together here. But I still need to figure out where I'm going to drill a hole for the wiring. So I got the chassis there pretty much centered up where I need it. Now I just got to figure out where I'm going to drill a hole right in behind the wheel, just on the other side. And then have all the electronics down underneath and everything. So I got it marked out here where I want it. Just need to make sure. Yeah, that looks okay. Can't do that with these because they got to go on to their own separate lines here. So let's get this in the bottom here first. Let's see, so the wirings have gone down through here. I want this fairly close. So let's put it like right here. Okay, so just like that. Okay, I'm going to take that switch off and replace it with one of mine. switch will go right here. Go. Looks good. Okay. All right, let's get these two pieces together. Let's get the front and the back bumpers on. I'm just sticking the familiar tail fin on. So I'm not putting the hood on just yet. So I got the wiring here. I got these wires I gotta run, and I got wires here I gotta run for the front fog lights. So these have to go down the hole. Got, 2 wires there for the dash coming down, and these here for the fog lights. You know, I'm thinking maybe I will add a second switch so I can turn the fog lights on and off. Yeah. Okay, I've got a couple of wire extensions here to go on here and on this here for the fog lights. Okay, all the wiring is down there now. Just gotta run everything down through the hole. now just gotta let that set, and then we can finish up the wiring. Okay, so I need to do first is to figure out which LED here is number 1 to number 5. Otherwise, if I just put it in randomly, it's going to be lights all over the place. So that's what I got to do first. So I'm going to have it start for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from right to left. Number 1. Had a 1 in 5 chance of getting it. Really? Okay, so according to the plans here, LED 1 is the black wire. Had a bit of mix up with the circuit board here. Now you got to keep in mind which company makes the circuit board. So if you find out that the lights aren't blinking the proper way, it's usually because you got out the wrong company. So I had to change out the green for the white and the white for the green. Now it works beautifully. Here's what I did. So all these here connected into the sensor. Now this in here is for the fog lights. So I got the positive line for the fog lights going to the switch, negative going here to the main power coming in. Got the positive going to the main power coming in and to the switch there, and then the dash here is connected in with the sensor. So everything is all hooked up now. I just gotta cover that over, a little bit of the grounding there I gotta do, and then this thing is all but done, almost. And then I just gotta polish off the body, put a nice clean sheen on it, and woohoo. Okay, now I put some clear red on the front of the sensor there. So now it looks a little more red. Not bad.
I am the voice of Night Industry 2000's microprocessor.
it for this build. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun putting together. Please like, subscribe, comment, don't forget to share, and click that notification bell for any future uploads. I'll see you in the next build. Bye-bye.